Team J.A.S. Oh yeah, Team Bella, isn't it? Team Bella. So he did a few mods, so I'm actually excited. I might lose this race, guys. Like really. Guys, how did this happen right now? Out of nowhere. What the f?
Yeah, but you were sitting fast, bro. That was a race. That's what I'm saying.
What I would say is that our cars are kind of evenly matched. Yo guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. As you can see, I have the Civic over here. The plan today is actually to race JUNAID with the WONG B20 Vtec. So I'm just picking up my friend Kieran and then we're gonna link up with JUNAID at the plan is to maybe do a cool video, maybe show you guys a little bit more on his car and what's done to his car, because maybe you guys do not know or not familiar with his car, and I'll just maybe give you guys a brief on my car as well. We didn't even start yet, but I'm struggling. My lip almost broke off just trying to turn around here. Insane. Maybe just try to keep the lip up when I'm reversing.
Yeah, I'll tell him to stop. When you come out here.
Okay guys, JUNAID finally arrived. This is his car. Say bro, duidelijk? Lekker. Yo guys, so here we have JUNAID. What a lot of you guys might not know is that me and JUNAID is actually friends for a long time. We attended the same high school, we come from the same area, and now we have the same car. So just to clear a lot of things, a lot of people assumed we actually had beef, etc. But there's actually none of that. Me and you actually come on very long. No, JUNAID?
100%. A lot of the people message me, ask me, what's the beef between you and Wong? I told them, listen, it's not really beef, it's banter, it's social media, you know what
exactly, I mean? People creating their own things. But anyway, we are finally here to do this race, and I do want to say whatever the outcome is, me and him will obviously always remain friends. And as you guys have seen, for each day he has basically revamped his car and it's looking a little bit better, as well as I have assisted him with a few parts on his car. So let me just show you guys a few parts that's on his car and maybe give you guys an explanation as to what is done to his car, etc. So this is what his car looks like right now. As you guys can see, WONG spec fenders. I don't even have it on my car yet, but it's looking insane. SRR lip, obviously he has a stack in front, J.A.S auto clinic. This is actually his business, guys. So if you guys are interested in electrical work, I'll leave his information in the description. As you guys can see as well, Civic gang, tire lettering with some body clubs on. That's his son over there, say hi. So this is pretty much his interior. Obviously new spec has the white tiles, and then you can see actually has the WONG spec logo over there. And then yeah, this is pretty much his car. You can see rear end has the bumper cutout with the STM logo as well. I see a fuel cell over here as well. And then this is pretty much just the other side of the car. And as you guys know, this is my car, and this is pretty much everyone is actually coming to see the race over here. So this is actually exciting. What do you say? Alright. So yeah, this is insane. I can't wait to actually see the outcome. JUNAID, are you comfortable showing engine bay? No? Okay. Okay guys, so for you guys that do not know what is done to JUNAID's car, I know I have a lot of following from overseas that obviously is not aware what is done to his car. He's just going to give you a quick explanation. So, to my understanding, B20 Vtec?
Yeah, so it's just a B20 Vtec. I got the valve train. The head unfortunately is not ported. No head work done to the vehicle. I got a YCP piston. What else? I got a skunk 2 ported intake. But only the intake is ported. The head is not really, there's no head work done to the car. Other than that, it's basically just, and I got ethanol. I'm running an ethanol.
Awesome. And then just the explanation with regards to my car, pretty much stock K20 A2 with exhaust and induction. I haven't done any mods since we actually did our first race. So my idea with this race was to see how my car actually will sit with this car after I think you did a few mods. So
Yes, I did.
So you did a few mods, so I'm actually excited. I might lose this race, guys, like really. But anyway, I'm here to actually see how my car is going to compete against his car after the new mods, and then obviously we can progress from there. But anyway, let's do that race. Yes. Oh, we right? Right. Team J.A.S. Oh yeah, Team Bella, isn't it? Team Bella. Guys, how did this happen right now? Out of nowhere, what the f? What the actual f? Okay guys, so it's unfortunate that my car is actually not working. We assume it could possibly be a TPS or something. It's not idling correctly. The crazy thing is that he's actually trying to help me with the car, which is actually insane. And I think that is actually very cool sportsmanship, which I would recommend everyone actually do. But yeah, in future we plan on obviously racing. I obviously need to go back and sort this out, and then we can race from there. Okay guys, so just give you an idea what's actually happening with the car. As you can see, it's doing that, as well as everything. So yeah, big up. Almost. We almost when it was right. Wij zien het rijden, dat is niet recht, man. Not going anyway. If you put your foot flat, it just stops. Okay guys, driving home out of nowhere, the car actually came right. So that is actually JUNAID over there. I called him to come back. I could have actually gone home and like, you know, like run away from this race, but I really want to do this race and I'm excited to see the outcome, even if we lose. Hi, with me guys, it's proper. Insane! 5 gear! Nah, my 5 gear, I didn't have 5 gear was
You know it's recht.
Nah,
The confidence.
nah, proper, he's combo. Nah, he's combo.
We're sitting fast on us.
Yo! That was 5 gear, I didn't find 5 gear, then I 5 gear I must. And then he came in front of us.
Because you were sitting fast. Maybe I pulled out of the line.
Yeah, no, look.
You. Check here, but you were sitting fast, bro.
That was a race.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Now you know, and you were still it's an
Yo! I didn't say 5 gear, my 5 gear, huh? I must 5 gear.
How do I go to the video? How do I go back to the video? Go to the video there, gaan?
Oh, is he busy? That was insane, guys. I never knew I'd actually jump him in alone. But I think this time around he's probably gonna jump me. Be even faster than me. But yo, his car is extremely strong. If I didn't slip 5th gear, we would have actually sit with each other right through here. Insane. Nah, I must give it to him. Well done, JUNAID. The car is God. I must give it to you, bro. Insane. I think I want to do another run. Nah, it was insane, bro. Yo, nah. I'll give it up to him. Give it to him. Let's go one more time. One more time. One more time. I was now the most happy on the line. I didn't see him on the line. I didn't see him. Let's go again. Oh, God! One more race. Both of us are home. We all on one team, man. Come on, guys. Let's go one team.
So yeah, I'm explaining what happened in the second race. So as you guys will see by the robot, my car was rolling, and then as I pressed brakes, the robot changed green, and then I slipped on the line. This is also the race that has been mostly shared because obviously I had the worst outcome in this race between the 3 races.
Okay, guys, so we raced already two runs already, right? Yeah. First run, I would say we were neck and neck, right? Don't give a score yet. The score was, this is for the YouTube video, so it's going to be showcase. So ideally, in the first run we were neck and neck. 5th, I slipped. Lost the race, right? Second run, I obviously stepped on the line, lost again. What I would say is that our cars are kind of evenly matched, right? Obviously, he has a little bit more experience than me, so he's obviously going to be more consistent than me. But we agree that our cars are evenly matched, and obviously, like I said, my car has no mods since the first run, so I still have room to improve, and we can re-run again. But we're going to do one more race, just to pretty much, how can I say, confirm. But I mean, yeah, today's, but we can already say that he won the race. So ideally, we are now 1-1. Okay guys, so we pretty much settled the race. I would say he won all 3 races. The 3rd race was actually very tight, I would say. It was actually a good race.
Yeah, very close.
Very good race. We just swapped lanes, etc. But in the end, I would say that he won the race. And we are tied now in terms of, you know, the 2 call outs of the races that we actually did. So moving forward, obviously, I need to upgrade something over here and maybe come back. We also have Akil Parker here. He's busy just throwing few words here. We're waiting for him to come out. He is also here. But yeah, but this is the support, guys. Be in mind. That's the word. That's the word. And one stick. And one stick. Wow, Bella the world. But cool, guys. I'm at the end of the video here. Hopefully you guys will see another race with me and Akil Parker, maybe a few other guys as well. Peace. Safe, Owen. Safe. Akil. Safe, Owen. Safe. Safe, JUNAID. Safe, bro. Yo. Fuck, man. Yeah, guys, so that is it. Me and my friend Keaton was actually just having a conversation. Obviously, my car stopped and I'm running on normal fuel, etc. Obviously, no excuses, but it just does give me more motivation to obviously start doing things to the car. What you guys might not know is that I agreed, me and JUNAID obviously had a conversation before the race, and I did promise him that I'm not going to do any changes to the car. And to be honest with you, I did not want to do any changes to the car as well, because I ideally do want to see what the car does perform like after he did his mods and whatever else he did, because the first run was actually a year ago, which you guys might not know. Overall, it's been fun. I haven't actually done this in a long time. Like I said, the last time we raced was a year ago, and before that it was probably a very long time for me. But yeah,